Hello, everyone. Arjun Barris here, CEO of Ninja Marketing Pro, and welcome back to our video series on softwares and Chrome extensions that I use for my business and that I use for my clients as well to help them grow their business, to help them to get more customers, get more clients, have clients buy more often from them, and to spend more when they do. All right. But this video is going to be on this Chrome extension that you see here on the screen called Winner Chicken Dinner. This is used to help you have any post on Facebook in a group or on a page go viral for one, and also increase engagement and increase sales. So we're going to dive into this software here, Winner Chicken Dinner. All right, so first, this is a Chrome extension, and how that's going to work, let me go back over here really quickly, is you'll see in your corner here, you'll see the app over here once you download that, and all this will be available. There will be a link at the end, somewhere on the page where you can actually get this yourself right away. But what I do once I download the extension, I first go into the dashboard. I see the dashboard here, and I go into the once I'm in the settings, what I then will do is set up my segments. Now, these segments you will see later on why they're so important. But what they are meant for is to, once a person wins or not win, the system will then send out messages to the winner and to the number of people who didn't win. And if they're all the messages are exactly the same, Facebook may flag you and discontinue from being able to send out messages or even post. So this system will help you send out different messages in a rotating system so that it won't be the same message back to back to back again. So you see here I have two set up already. One is called Hey, so lets me know what type of message this is. This is more so my hello introduction message. So the way you create these is just hit create new, and then you just put in different messages you want. For instance, I may want to put in a title. This is my welcome message here. All right. Now from there, I'll put in I can use keywords here. So I can type in here, first name, hello, for inquiring. All right, just hello for this one. All right. I'm going to hit add. I may do another one that says hello, hello, and then their name. All right, hit that one. Then I may want to put one that says, hey there. And then I may not put their name on this one. All right. I may do another one that says, how's it going? All right, so now that I have those there, you can have as many as you want of these in here. That's going to be my first segment, my welcome. This can be anything you would like for it to be that fits your brand or what you're doing. All right, so now make sure, I've done this before myself, to hit save manage segment when you're done. If not, these segments will not save. You have to redo them over again. So that's done. It says created successfully. And I'm going to I already create another one already. So how that was done. So now I made another one that's called check us out. This one here, this guides them to my website. About 4 or 5 messages that sends them to my website when everything is done. I can have as many of these that you want. I'm going to delete this one for right now. Actually, I'll leave it for right now. So, hey, check us out and welcome. So now that I have my segments, I'm going to go into groups. So now if I have 15 different segments for different reasons, once I'm in my groups, this is where I'll put these segments together in the order that I want them to go out. So I'll say I have mine called contest number 1. If I edit this, you'll see I have the hey message and the check us out message already ready to go. And this will rotate which of the hey messages go out first, and then which of the check us out goes out. I can add another one that says the welcome here, and add that. Now the welcomes also will rotate with those other messages there. I can add the keywords in there as well if I wanted to, but I have those keywords are message. Okay, so again, once you're done, make sure to hit update message group, and you're done with that. So once you have the segments and the groups done, you would then go over to back to your dashboard, and then from here you will set up your actual contest. All right, so I have a few already in here, and what this will do is it will show you, once you create a contest, it will show you the contest name, the link, the post link. We'll show you that in a moment. If it's active or inactive, and how much time is left on here. You can end it early if you want to. If it's completed, you can view the stats. You can edit, and then you can delete as well. All right, so now I'm going to create, I'm going to create a new contest. Hit create new. This page will come up. Now I'm going to give it the contest a name, new contest. Delete, so I remind myself to delete this one. Now for the URL post, what you're going to do is once you create a post, I just started a new one about 3 hours ago. My first one was won by Robin Nelson. So I'm starting a new contest here for free software. This is actually the software that I'm showing right now. I'm doing a contest for this software, winner, chicken dinner. This is going to run until May the 6th, 7 days. The first one lasted maybe 24, 48 hours. Then I'm going to give away the software that turns your posts into viral giveaways and contests to get massive engagement, leads, and sales. This is important, how to enter. Be sure to tell them what to do, or they may leave something out and they may not be able to win, or they may miss sharing. Now, what you have them do is totally up to you. I use leave a post. I'm going to leave a reaction on the post for this particular contest, comment on the post, and then they must also share this post as well. If you don't share the post, you haven't completed your entry, you won't be able to win. So you must be able to do all three. You can leave any one of these completely off of here if you like. All right. And then I tell them I'll be using the software to pick a random winner. I want to know about the software, comment hashtag software. Now, this section here is not part of this particular software. This is from another software that I'll be demoing very, very soon, where if they type in the keyword or put a comment of the keyword, the system will automatically engage with them in the post and also send them messages based on whatever you want it to happen there. So if you're interested in the software for the that does the engagement and that will follow up and send them other messages through their DMs, reach out to me. I'll make sure I get that to you as well. All right. And then the bottom section here, actually, if you are interested in that software, actually, never mind. All right. So this is important here. The PS: if your privacy settings is set to only friends, if sharing is mandatory, then the software will not see that they shared it. All right. So it must be set for public when they share that particular post. If that post is for only friends, the software will not see it, and they cannot win. All right. So that's how the basic of setting up your contest. Again, with what you wanted to say, what you're giving away. It could be software, it could be a service, it could be a product, whatever you want that to be. Now, how do you get the link? You saw here, I need to get a link for this post, a URL. Well, on your post, you'll see a timestamp here. If you click on that, it will open up this post. I think I already opened it up and closed it down. Do it again. It's going to open that post up. Let me refresh this page real quickly. This is the post. I'm going to go back to my page real quickly and scroll down to that post. There it is. Here's the timestamp. I'm going to click on that timestamp. It will now open up the URL of this particular post. I'm going to copy the URL, then paste that into the post URL here. All right, now I'm going to go down to the next section. This is where I choose how many winners can win. I'll say one winner from right now. You can have up to 4 winners here. Include sub comments. This means if you want to have their sub comments be allowed for the contest. So, for instance, they didn't make a post themselves; they may have commented on someone else's post or someone else's comment. Would that be allowed? I'll say yes to that. All right. Now, how to select the winners? I can choose a random winner, which I normally use that. The person with the most comments or the last comment. All right. Let's go with the random winner. And then do this chooser. Does the winner have to leave a reaction? I'm going to say yes for now. Do they have to share the post? I can say yes or no. I'll say yes for now. And then the deadline. I'm going to say today. It's going to end at, let's say, 11:30 p.m. All right. That's about, I guess, an hour from now. And then it says send a message to the winners. See it down here. So I'm going to turn that on. That can be left off if you'd like for it to. And now I can choose what message I want to send to the winners of the contest. So I can choose a text message and just type it in manually. Congrats, you won the contest. And then send me an email or DM. Really easier. DM me your email address, and I will send you the info. All right, whatever you want that to say there. So I can use that, or I can also use the keywords here. Put the first name in there also. Personalize it some. That's always a good thing. So if I want to use the text, which I normally use the text for the winners, if I'm only choosing one winner, if I'm using multiple winners, I will then use the group message we did earlier. So if you recall, we created our group messages, and I have one group called contest here. All right, this is why my different hey and check us out here. Okay, so down here I'll choose the group message. And I'll choose that one called contest, and now it's going to rotate those messages to the winners. All right. Well, for this, I'll stick to the message here. And congrats as a placeholder right now. Congrats, you won. All right. Now I'm going to go to the losers, the non-winners. I'll always use the group message instead of just a text. And I'll put that contest number 1 in here. It rotates through. And I know I would just hit the save button. If I do that, it's going to kick off another contest for that same post I already have. But once you hit the save button, you would then see it populate in here as a live post. So I'll do it real quickly. What do I call this? I called it. That's fine. I'm hitting save. Contest created successfully. And now you will see, I won't show that one yet. Now you're going to see over here that contest title, new contest delete was created. I have 57 minutes left on this contest. That's the link that we have there and is active. I can always stop it here by clicking end contest. And then if I end it, I can view the stats here. I can edit it and I can delete this as well. All right. I'm going to delete this one so no mistakes happen. All right. And now once a contest has ended, I said earlier I did a brief contest about 24 hours ago, maybe 40 hours ago. And that contest ended. We have a winner for that one. So it says completed. There's no time left. It's a winner chicken dinner. I'm going to view the stats. And it shows you, or actually I already have it open, who won. So this one, Robin Nelson won this contest. I had about 5 people enter this particular one. Again, very, very short. It tells you how many people entered, who commented, how many reacted, and how many people actually shared that particular post. And this was a win. It does it by itself. All right, guys. So again, a great piece of software that I think is wonderful. It's easy to use. It really helps engagement, helps your posts go viral. And you can try different things to see what works best for you. If you're interested in this software, winner chicken dinner, you can probably find it somewhere on this page somewhere that you can purchase it, get it for yourself and try it out. Or come to my page if you're within the next 6 days of this post and enter to win yourself right here on my post. All right, guys, thanks so much. Again, this is Winner Chicken Dinner. My name is RJ Bear, CEO of Ninja Market Pro, going through our videos on software that I use, that I love, that will help your business grow online and offline.